In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link issues in Jira. Understanding how to efficiently link issues is crucial for maintaining clarity and cohesion in your project management workflow. Jira offers a variety of ways to establish links between issues, facilitating better communication and tracking. Let's start by exploring what issue links are all about. Issue links in Jira allow you to create relationships between tasks such as bugs, stories, or any other types of issues in your project. The most common link types include blocks, is blocked by, duplicates, is duplicated by, clones, is cloned by, relates to, and several others. These links help you track dependencies and relationships, simplifying the process of managing complex projects with interconnected tasks. Before diving into how to link issues, it's important to ensure you have the necessary prerequisites. First, you'll need to have the link issues permission for the specific projects involved. Additionally, the appropriate link types must be configured, which is typically handled by a Jira administrator. Depending on your setup, you might have custom link types available, or you may be using the standard ones provided by default. Now, let's move into the details of how to manually link issues using Jira Cloud, which includes newer views like Jira Service Management. The initial step involves opening the issue you wish to establish a link from. This means navigating to the issue's page, where all its details are displayed. Look thoroughly for a button or link labeled something like Link Issue, plus Add, Linked Issue, or Link Work Item. Once you've spotted it, clicking this will open a dialog box. Within the dialog box, you are presented with a couple of options. One method is to search for an existing issue by its issue key or through a search function. This is especially handy if you know the exact issue you want to link with. Alternatively, if the issue doesn't yet exist, you can create a new issue right there and link it immediately after creation. After deciding which issue to link, you'll need to choose the link type, whether it's blocks, duplicates, relates to, etc. Selecting the right link type is important as it defines the nature of the relationship between the issues. Finally, confirm your choices by clicking Link or Create and Link, depending on whether you are linking to an existing issue or a newly created one. Following these steps will help you maintain a clear, organized, and efficient workflow in Jira. Linking related issues provides a holistic view of dependencies and simplifies tracking progress across projects. This not only improves collaboration within your team, but also enhances overall project success. I hope this video helps you utilize Jira's powerful linking features effectively. Thanks for watching.